Hello everyone, I am Padmaja from Gossip Funda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the best file manager for Android system. As a smartphone user, we all know our smartphone has an inbuilt file manager which is an integral part of our Android system. So we don't use it frequently, but it contains all the device files and app files in it. But there are some files and features we cannot access through this file manager. To get access for such files and features, we require a separate file manager where you can access all these files. Let's know which file manager will be helpful. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for Solid Explorer File Manager. Once it has been downloaded, complete the process. This is a basic level of file manager. This file manager will help you in managing the storage location of your files. Even it will help you to sync the app file with your Google Drive. This is the home screen of your file manager. In case you delete your file, you can easily get recovered from the trash bin. You can hide your file and folder in this. Even you get an FTP service in this file manager. You can see your APK files, system files and user file. Even you can create your own folder or application files in it. You can see your operation of your files. You can sort your storage. Let's go to the settings, where you get an option for theme setting. In this file manager, you can set your theme for this file. Let's move for new file manager. Search an Astro file manager in a Play Store. Once it get installed, complete the process. This is also a basic level of file manager. As compared to Solid Explorer file manager, Astro file manager have some more features in it. This file manager will help you to manage your internal, external and cloud storage. Even you can sync your cloud account. Complete the process. Here you can see the home screen of your file manager. Even you can see the percentage of storage. This is the setting of your file manager, where you get a backup option for it. Here you can backup your file. You can manage your storage in this file manager. You can clean the unwanted files from this with the help of clean option, which is available in this file manager. Let's move for the new file manager, CX File Explorer. This is an advanced level of file manager where you get an access to your FPP, SMP files. You can browse, copy, extract with the files. This is the home screen of your CX File Explorer. Here you can easily access to your file. Let's move to the networking now. Here you can connect your file manager to the PC, laptop. You can share, transfer your file. Even you can connect to the Google Drive, Dropbox. Let's go to the settings. Here you get a theme changing option. Here you also get an hide and unhide option. Let's go to your apps. Here you can see your downloads and all file apps, their details. Let's move for new file manager. Mix Explorer. The free version of this file manager you will get on the website, and on Play Store you will get a paid version of it. I mainly prefer this file manager because it has more features as compared to before 3 file managers. In this you can extract a zip file, even you can access to the FTP APK files. Mainly this file manager has been used for the gaming purposes folders, so that we can easily access the gaming file folders. In this you get a command execute option, zoom in, zoom out folder option. This is your home screen of your file manager. You get a bookmark option in this file manager. Here you also get a root option. Even you can access to your APK files. Even you can archive your files. Here you get a different tab mode options for your folder. You can transfer your file from one folder to the another folder just by one shift. Here you can see different tab options available for you. In this options, even you can hide your gallery, even you can hide your photos, album, file. Here you also get a symbolic link option, dot file option, key store option. You can simultaneously select your all folders at a time. You can lock your folder. You get different tools, filter option. Even you get an execute option command over here. Let's go to the settings. You get different types of button option over here. You can edit your text, ebook reading or reader option is also available in this. You can set a language to your folders as per your requirement. You can add a new tab, new folder. Even you can archive them. Let's see different tab options for the folders. You can reset your tabs if you want. You can add a new tab in it at a time. Even you can save their tab. If you want more details, please check out our Gossip Fronda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel.